Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with this updo style that I'm going to teach you today. What you need are elastics, I take the clear ones, and bobby pins. I split my hair into 2 equal portions, so in the middle of the head, and now each side into 3 strands. I'm taking the first ponytail in the middle and insert a tiny elastic. The clear ones are those that are less seen in my hair, and with my fingers I can feel if they are equal, the strands, or not. So second ponytail, nice and low, more or less where your hair starts, and the same thing you do on the other side until you have those 6 little ponytails. Now we are going to split. The first one I started on my left hand side, and I'm going around the second ponytail, and I combine the hair with the neighbor ponytail, so with the third one. Another tiny elastic, tighten it, and now I'm pulling the outer edges to make it wider. Now I got messed up here a bit. Split the hair around and bring it each half around the next ponytail. Sometimes it's hard when you don't see what you do, but in this case, even if you do a little mistake, one won't see it later when the updo is completely done. Again, now pull the outer edges and do exactly the same thing. Split the ponytail, bring it around the neighbor and attach it to the one next to the neighbor. Hold everything tight together, insert the elastic, and then when you have combined the hair, pull the outer edges. When you have those 6 ponytails combined, you're going to do a pull through braid. So grab the strands always around, split it around the other strand, and then insert an elastic and pull the outer edges. Again, split, bring the other one through, and behind you're going to combine the 2 strands with an elastic. My hair was so straight and slippy. It was hard to hold, but you see, be a bit patient and you will manage. Again, split, bring around and tie it together with an elastic. Actually, you don't need to know how to braid. At the end, I'm not splitting anymore, I'm just bringing it together and then prepare my bobby pins. So I'm taking the braid, swipe it over to the left, and I pin everything into place just like I wanted, and I'm making a bit wider the pull through parts, and the end of the ponytail I am hiding finally underneath because it was the easiest to hide the end and to secure it. And this is the final result. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of it and what would you like to see next. Bye bye, thanks for watching.